good afternoon from a cute, tucked away, nondescript restaurant at the edge of the mall. So I wanted to go to the mall and sit and relax, but actually it's the presentation ceremony of the marathon is going on. Milind Soman, Kailash Kher and all the other dignitaries such as IAS, IPS, the local police commissioner and the head, all those dignitaries are here and they are all handing out the awards. So needless to say, that place is chock-a-block. Everyone is here to see Milind Soman. I've caught a glimpse of him, but right now I am feeling very hungry. I was actually feeling very hungry, so I thought to just come down to a place which is not very crowded, which is not one of those legendary places. And I got one. I don't know the name of this place, but it's so nice. Isn't it beautiful? I can see the Himalayas from here. It's the edge of a cliff, literally land's end, and it's calm, quiet, relaxed. I'll enjoy a sumptuous lunch. So what I've ordered, I'll tell you. Pork is very famous in the hilly areas of India. So I've taken a pork chili gravy, and I've taken a chicken chow mein. So it will be quite filling, I believe. After that, I'm planning to go to a temple called the Mahakal temple, but there's a problem here. Vodafone from Kolkata, my Kolkata SIM Vodafone doesn't work very well here. In fact, Vodafone is really struggling over here. Jio works well, but I don't have a Jio SIM. I should have known that. I should have saved the maps offline, but I have not done it. So now I have to ask directions and go to the temple. Our food is here. Pork chili gravy and chicken chow mein. Let's dig into it without further ado. The pork chops are really juicy, and the chicken chow mein is also very good. Quantity is very value for money. It's cost around 220 rupees. Quantity is okay, and pork is of course a delicacy of Darjeeling. So both are good. That's the charm of eating in such nondescript hidden gems. So let me savor my meal, then we'll head somewhere else. I'm at the steps leading to the Mahakal Mandir. In the morning, this is the road through which I ran, if you remember. On the side there are steps which go up to Mahakal Mandir. Let's go. It's a long climb to the top. You'll see a lot of, Tibetan motifs around it. The Tibetan flags of worship which you see in Shotins and monasteries in Himachal Pradesh, in Jammu and Kashmir, in Sikkim, and any other place in Himalayas where Tibetans or the Buddhist Tibetans are there. All those flags are also here. So this temple is very unique. It is a fusion, an amalgamation of Buddhist and Hindu motifs. So here you see all these flags. They are all motifs of the Theravada branch of Buddhism, followed by Tibetans. And also this temple is also a Hindu temple. So maybe that's why, I don't know if you can see here, it's on the other side, His Holiness the Dalai Lama had visited this temple in 6th of July 2020. So it talks about the fusion which is going on here. So first, let me visit the Hindu temple. There is a temple here. Actually, there are a lot of temples here. Oh, Hanumanji. Jai Hanumanji. Hinduism and Buddhism aren't that too alien to each other as we think. So if you go to Thailand, they also worship Ganesh, Lord Ganesh. Over there they call him Khanet. Then they also worship Brahma. The statues of Brahma, idols of Brahma everywhere. There are huge idols of Brahma in Bangkok, in Phuket. There are huge statues of Ganesh in Bangkok. The Ganesh over there, whom they call Khanet, he is in a lying down pose. He's lying, he's resting. Much like the Buddha who rests. So yeah, amazing place. This is the Kali Mandir here. Jai Mata Di. Shri Mahakali Mandir. Immediately after the Mahakali Mandir is a Buddhist shorten. These things are called shortens. I have a book on Dalai Lama which I bought in McLeodganj in Dharamshala at the Dalai Lama monastery. It's on the entire 12 or 13 Dalai Lamas. It's a very fat book. It talks a lot about these shortens. That book. I didn't get time to finish it, but it's a very, very thick book. But I plan to read. And I am actually mystified by the tenets of Buddhism. Anywhere where there is a Buddhist religious site, you will find such shortens. Beautiful place. Beautiful. Here we are at the main mandir, Mahakal Mandir. Mahakal means Shivji, of course. There is a Nandi statue outside. A lot of Tibeto-Burman motifs outside the temple, which suggests it is a fusion temple. As I was saying, another example of fusion, just outside the Mahakal temple are Buddhist Dharma chakras, which of course you can, very oriental looking statue made of copper maybe, which shows Tibeto-Burman motifs. Right, that was Mahakal Mandir. Peaceful, calm, serene, away from the hustle bustle of the mall. Little bit on the top, it's on a small hill. You have to climb, but the climb is very rewarding. You see a very unique temple, and it certainly will give you a peace of mind. कितनी दूर आगे है?
इसका अंत नहीं है.
इसका अंत नहीं है. ओके.
इसके अंदर जब जाइएगा कुछ दूरी पर जाने के बाद 3 रास्ता मिलेगा.
ओके.
3 रास्ता का कोई था नहीं है कि वो कौन रास्ता कहाँ जाएगा.
ठीक है.
ऐसे एक टूरिस्ट गया था जो कि आज तक उसका पता नहीं चला कि वो
ऐसा है गुफा. ओके. और महाकाल का जन्म स्थान अंदर ही है.
अंदर ही है.
ठीक है. I have claustrophobia. I strongly suggest against this. Holy crap. The priest said that it's a labyrinth of tunnel ways and you may get lost there. So, and also it's very precarious. Very difficult for a person, a grown man like me, to go in with all my bag and camera equipment. So I'm going to decide going against it. Mahakal or Shivji has a mandir below, and there is a series of tunnels which run here, and it's a labyrinth. So I wouldn't suggest getting lost here. I don't know. That's what he said. और जाना मुमकिन नहीं है. मेरे बैग वैग बहुत कुछ है ना. मैंने देख लिया वो एक. So that was the cave. Maybe thousands of years old, this formation. Right, that's off the bucket list, isn't it? A meal at the Glenary's, the iconic Glenary's. Of course, if you go in the morning, you'll get their popular English breakfast. But when I went, it was more of a continental offering. But you can never go wrong with fish and chips, can you? So, yeah, it's a sumptuous meal. So the shops are slowly closing. It's 8:30. And you know, everything closes very early in the hills, so shops are closing. These shops sell very fine quality woolens, but yeah, we have to do very cutthroat haggling. Right, it was a long day, isn't it? First marathon, then sightseeing and at the Mahakal temple, then meal at the Glenary's, lot of walking up the mall. Walked many times up this road. Yeah, when you walk in the hill, ups and downs, you tend to get tired. But that's also a very good workout, isn't it? Especially Mahakal temple. The climb was very steep, very steep. Right, let's call it a ride, shall we? Tomorrow early morning we have to go to Tiger Hill to see Kanchenjunga, the sunrise. I hope the weather is clear and we can get the changing colors of the Kanchenjunga at the golden hour of dawn. With that, I'm closing this video. So if you like this video, give this video a like, comment and share amongst your friends. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe and please press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. With that, good night.